Hi, I'm Giulia. I'm 25 years old, fresh returned. I am from PoliTo, but I moved to Venice after I graduated from high school. Then I moved to Turin to get my Master of Science.
So I'm Jovita, I'm 24 years old and I'm from Poland, currently living in Turin and studying the architectural heritage preservation and enhancement. I really like nature, mountains that is all around us, so it's a perfect place for me to take some rest, to go for hiking and spending my free time here.
In my opinion, as architects, as designers, we have a huge responsibility because we shape the physical spaces in which conflicts happen, in which connection could be made. I was fascinated by the particular approach of architectural preservation.
When I was studying my bachelor degree in Warsaw, at Warsaw University of Technology, I took a part in Erasmus program and I went to Italy, to Rome, for 6 months. And then I realized that I really want to focus on heritage and preservation during my architectural studies. So it was a natural choice that I choose the Turin because it's one of the best polytechnic in Italy. And I applied and I got in, so I'm here.
It was the atelier of heritage preservation and enhancement. It was an experience that had to face all the aspects of a restoration project. We had to evaluate the impact that the new technologies and materials we were going to use would have on the ancient matter of our case study. We had to consider the urban impact our work were going to have. We had to consider the legislation surrounding the boundaries of working on an historical building in Italy. That was what fascinated me about restoration the first time.
I feel that all surrounded me heritage architecture is the most inspiring thing during my studies, because it's much more easier to study when we can touch, we can see and we can feel this architecture and history around us. So it's really inspiring to study here and to going to the places that has so many impact in the history.
I would like to pursue a doctorate degree. I would like to further study the intersection of social studies and urban planning when it comes down to heritage preservation. The factors that made our society, such as class, gender, races, have heavily influenced how we planned our cities and how, what and why we choose to preserve. And I would really like to make these themes the topic of my research.
My plans for the future is to apply for an internship here in Turin, and I think it could be a really good step into my future.